Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I am Allison Alanna. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button on the way in. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching and supporting. So I'm just sitting here debating on what I'm gonna do for dinner. It's late in the evening, guys. I just got myself ready for bed. I got a nightgown on. That's August. I'm about to drink my favorite drink, Calypso Island Wave Lemonade, the bomb, the best, better than the rest. So it'll be a link for this in the description if you want to try it. If you've never tried it, you need to try it. Go ahead and hit that link because that is where you can get you a whole case of it. Because like I always tell y'all, y'all are gonna want the case. Okay. So I also want to start the vlog off with some really great news. So I got a call from a friend last night, and they told me that their mother was actually thinking about me and said that God laid it on her spirit to send me a financial blessing. So I was just on my couch last night, just chilling, and I think I was actually texting my daughter or something, and I got the call from my friend, and we was talking, and I was just like, wow, like, based on our conversation, it was just like a reminder, because they were saying too, just know God is in your mix, because my mother normally don't do that, you know, and it was just laid on her spirit to like send me something. That was an amazing blessing that I'm really grateful for. May it be returned to her 100-fold, and may the blessings continue to roll in so that things can continue to be situated around here. So I was looking through some of my old content from years ago, and I found, I just got a little snack, but I found like this lookbook I was doing, a pregnancy lookbook from when I was pregnant with August back in this was in 2021, because it was like right around Valentine's Day. So yeah, it was in 2021, and I don't know if I was having an issue back then. I probably was, with no room in my phone, so I couldn't like download the stuff back to my phone to be able to upload it to YouTube. It probably was like one of those issues, but I had those backed up in my phone, so I figured that I was going to post it in my membership portal, because they were so cute. Like, I really like how my body looks when I'm pregnant, and I don't know, it just is a cute little attempt at a lookbook. I think I only did 2 looks because I probably got tired of changing my clothes. Because at that time, let me see, March, April, May. So around that time, I probably was like 185. But I delivered August at like near 200 pounds. I had to be like 197 pounds or something like that. So I had got so big. And towards the end of my pregnancy, I was tired the whole pregnancy. But I really wasn't doing nothing in them last 3 months. So I'm gonna post those in my membership portal for y'all to see them. And I found some videos from my old apartment when I used to live in the hood. I found some of how I had the kitchen decorated, and it was probably the same thing, because I'm like, well, I know I did my living room tour, and I did like a little office tour that I had did in my when I lived in the hood. So why I ain't never post the kitchen? So it had to be back then a situation where I had a room in my phone or whatever. But I'm gonna post those just so y'all can see like how I had it decorated there, and as well as some new content that's going to be coming in the portal this weekend as well. So y'all might not actually see it until Monday, maybe, but it'll be like earlier in the day on Monday. So just wanted to give y'all a heads up on that. If you haven't already become a member, go ahead and hit the join button so that you can join and be a part of the membership portal. All right, so I'm folding up August's laundry, and I got Ace's laundry in the washing machine. I feel like all I do is wash clothes, y'all. I feel like all I do is wash clothes. Look at these cute jeans that I got August from Walmart. I got these back in like March or April, and I got had to be March because they wore them to school together one time, and Ace got out in April. but they are so cute. Ace got the same ones, and they got these little, do I got the top out here? And then he got the little top that match with it. It's so cute. It's too hot for the top now, of course, but they could still wear the jeans. But Ace done took, I don't know if he ripped the jeans with his bare hands or he cut them, but he put his holes in both the knees. Like, I got all of them new clothes back in March, and Ace messed up almost everything that I got him. Not really intentionally. He eats a lot of hot sauce, and you know, he make a mess on his clothes. That hot sauce don't come out. For some reason, it just do not be coming out of his clothes. So a lot of his like light colored shirts, he gotta just use them to play in now. He don't really have no clothes to go out nowhere. Very few things, and the things that he really do have is more like for the colder months. So hopefully I'll be able to go back to Walmart and get him some more stuff. Like, I like getting that stuff from Walmart now because Walmart really has stepped their stuff up. Like, I ain't never been in no Walmart and got no cute tops like this and no cute little jeans for no boys. It's usually hard to get cute boy stuff anyway because they got all the pretty stuff or all the cute stuff for girls, and then the boys get like gypped. It don't hardly be nothing, and that be making me so mad because I only got one girl and I don't have to shop for her no more. Like, when I get stuff for my daughter, it's more like for her birthday, or if I just happen to see something that I think would be cute on her or whatever, I'll get it for her. But I don't have to shop for her like I do for them, you know? So it's like, dang, I don't even have nobody to dress in the cute little pink stuff no more and all of that. But I ran it up when she was little though. Oh my goodness, she had everything. Her stuff used to be so cute. So cute. But yeah, that brand Wonder Nation is a good brand for boys. They be having cute stuff on the boy side in that brand. I don't know about nothing else. And you know, you could get like swim clothes and stuff from there now. But yeah, August got these little shorts he could put on. His little underwear. I've been trying to get him to get used to his underwear and going to the bathroom. But he does it at school. Like, they have time. Now that he's of age to use the pot, they do it at school. And they'll put a pull-up on him at school. But this is his last week of school. So I really want to make sure that I keep him going with that. But it takes time. It took me a long time to get Ace fully potty trained as well. It took a while. He would do number 1, but not number 2. So I noticed it's a process with boys. It takes longer with them than to do girls. Because my daughter was potty trained by the time she was like 18. I don't even think she was 2 yet. She had to be like around 18 months. At the most, maybe like 21 months. But boys be taking forever to potty train. Hey y'all, so I just finished making breakfast, and I did that on live. Shout out to y'all if y'all were on the live. If you haven't already caught that live, go ahead and watch it. It's a really quick one. And Ace and I are home. August is at school. This is his last full week of school, and my oldest is at his program, and I think this might be the last week of his program as well. So we're just here. I'm supposed to be shampooing Ace's hair, but I am really not in the mood to do it. But I think I'm gonna just suck it up. I think I'm gonna just suck it up and go in there and get going, because it's easier to get it done when August is not home. But I might just wait. I don't know. I'm kind of tired today. So Ace is over here watching his little shows on YouTube, and we don't have a whole lot going on right now. We just ate, and I need to get to the dollar store today so I could get him some washable markers, because he has some work he's supposed to been doing over the summertime, and because he let all the markers dry out, he hasn't been able to really do the work. So I definitely want to get him some today, so he could get my allergies are just terrible right now. My eyes are itching, so yeah, so that he can get practicing on his writing his first and last name, and all of the things that they gave to him to help him come into pre-K like on the right level, knowing how to do those things. So I definitely want to buckle down on that with him this week and the weeks that follow up until he goes back to school. So yeah, that's what we got going on for the moment. You camera shy? Okay. Say, I'm home from school. All right, so seems to be recording. So like I was trying to say, I'm eating a freaking snack. But the phone keep cutting off. Here come my Calypso Island wave. All right, so I am still doing laundry. Washing and folding. Right now I'm just folding up some of August's little blankets that he used. Most of these is like receiving blankets. I still use them when I change his diaper. I kept a few of them from, you know, when he was a little baby. Since we don't have a changing table here, I just lay him on these whenever I change his diaper. This phone stay acting down. It just cut off again. Let me see how it's going to act. I got to be mindful of the timer on here because I'll be thinking it's just recording and I look up, it's on 0. But anyway, so yeah, just folding up August blankets, his little towels. I seen some towels in Walmart. They not like these, like the little newborn ones with the hood. They are with the hood, but they're like way bigger for like toddler boys. So I want to get those for both him and Ace because I like to still keep their head covered like right after they get their hair shampooed. Not so much Ace really, but the baby for sure. So I got a load of clothes in the washing machine now. For Ace, it's like a small load of white clothes. And then I just got washed one like big blanket for August. And that'll be it for the 2 of them. I need to buy some more laundry detergent for like the entire house. So I might run up to the store and do that now maybe. As soon as I'm done folding this stuff. I really need to clean up my living room as well. Because these kids have been playing with me like they don't know what's up around here. So, I don't know. I might do that first and then go, or might just do that and that go. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, so I'm finally done. So that's it, guys. I'm bringing this vlog to an end. Thank y'all so much for watching and supporting. If you are new and you didn't subscribe already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button on your way out. Leave me a comment and make sure that you do go check out the memberships by hitting the join button. And if you want to support the channel in an additional way, you can go ahead and hit the thanks button right underneath this video. Select the amount in which you would like to contribute towards the channel. Again, I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.